Hi, welcome back. Thank you for joining me in today. Do you know that oats and oatmeals are not only for making breakfast like granola or for making porridge, for making bars, but they can also be used to make other dishes like swallows. Yes, you heard me right. You can use oatmeal or oats to make swallows that can be paired with soups or sauces of your choice that are so nutritious and so filling. In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make oatmeal fufu or banku or akplen, just depending on how you would like to call this. And they are so good to be paired with any sauce or soup of your choice. In today's video, let's get started into making our oatmeal banku. So in here, I have my oat or oatmeal. You can use the old-fashioned or the quick cooking one. Any one you have is fine. I'm just blending it into powder. You can also add water to it before blending, but I just want to blend it dry so I can have it easy when I'm cleaning my blender, or I can even just use the blender to make smoothie later. So I'm just going to pour the blended oat powder into my pan that I'll be using, and this is how it's looking, just into fine powder. And I'll be mixing this with some water. After mixing it very well, you make sure there are no lumps, and you can transfer this onto the stove top and we start cooking. So cooking, you want to stir continuously. You don't want to leave it unattended so it don't form lumps. So you are just going to stir and let the mixture come together like this. And if you are cooking in the beginning, it's going to be making a lot of splash, so you have to be cleaning the pot and also cleaning the stove top. And once it is coming together and it's getting closer to being done, the splashing or the mess is going to subside. So moving on, I'm going to be adding some water. You can add water depending on how soft or how hard you want your banku or akple or fufu to be done. So I'm just going to add a little bit of water and I'll cover it and let it simmer on low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. And after that, I'm going to continue to stir and I'm going to cook towards me just like I was doing. And after this, you will notice when it is done or it is ready to be done, you will notice it's not going to be sticking to the saucepan as it used to. And when you use your hand to pick or to fill it, it's not going to be sticking too much on your hand, and the color is going to change from a little creamier to more darker color, and you know it is done. Oats and oatmeal are gluten-free whole grain that provide great source of important vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. They are also great with heart healthy benefit that can help control or lower cholesterol. And this is how our oatmeal banku looks, or fufu or akplen, however you want to call it. This swallow was so good and it was so filling. I would like to say thank you for watching this video throughout, and don't forget to give me a like and also subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a blessed day. Bye.